In this video, I show you how to fix YouTube white screen problem on Android. For fixing this problem, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for YouTube, tap on YouTube, tap on post stop, tap on OK. Now tap on storage and cache, clear storage, then delete. Now go to Play Store, search YouTube. Now up to date your YouTube app if available any update version, then restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open YouTube app. Now I hope that this method fix YouTube white screen problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.